TUMO, as I see it, is different than that. It's this space with mass amounts of young people. And I was thinking, I don't know if this is a bizarre metaphor, but if creativity was kind of like sugar, you know, then like here it's like kids can come and eat cake all the time, you know, without their parents saying anything, you know.
TUMO is doing a lot of great work here in Yerevan, and to me it was exciting to be a part of that and to come here to the city, see the city, explore the city, and then on top of that have a purpose for being here and working with students and working with these students who were so energetic and so excited and so motivated to learn was incredible, and I think it's hard to find that anywhere else.
I like working in TUMO because it opens a lot of creativity. You have a lot of space to experiment. There are a lot of things to discover. And I love working here too because the students are very involved, they are very motivated, and they always want to go further with the project. And you learn from the students too. So it's at the same time like this wide space of creativity and having like this very interesting human relationship where it's not just giving information or teaching as a regular teacher, it's also learning things from all the students.
TUMO is a really important thing for not only Armenia, but if any country wants to invest in their youth, they need institutions like this to educate and motivate, especially the youth. And I know I believe all the kids here are here because they want to be here. And just the fact that they're doing that makes me feel great about the youth in this country because just the fact that they're coming here and they want to learn is such an important step, and it's so, it shows where their mind is at, and I think it's in a good place.
Побывав в ТУМО, очень вдохновился вообще этой идеей, что есть какая-то такая некоммерческая организация, которая дает людям конкретные навыки, которые реально в жизни нужны.
Teaching experience, well, that was really lovely. I mean, it's fulfilling, and the thing is, it's really surprising. So you don't know what comes, and sometimes you see some stuff from students that it really blows your mind. And I've experienced that a lot here.
The idea of inviting professionals from different parts of the world to come and teach different learning labs is also very important because the students get more closer to life, like real life experience in a way.
Это была такая работа, то есть не что ты все знаешь и все рассказываешь, а вот что ты вместе с детьми сидишь и думаешь, как это можно сделать. Вот в этом плане это было очень интересно.
Yeah.